there's a chance that your presentation might look like someone's time capsule. I'm here to help you avoid that. My name is Nathan Uma. Today we'll go over some popular PowerPoint design trends so that your slideshow can look as stylish as it can be. You can find PowerPoint templates that already have trendy designs from the popular creative service known as Envato Elements. Envato Elements gives you unlimited access to millions of creative assets with your subscription, including stylish PowerPoint templates. It has unlimited downloads, simple commercial licensing, and convenient cancellation. So sign up today through the link in the description below. Learn more about presentations, marketing, and other business topics in videos like this when you subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. Thousands of hours of free educational content that you can dive into whenever you'd like. Using the latest trends on your slides is a great way to be memorable. Andrew, an Envato Tuts Plus instructor, rounded up 20 of them in a great article that we've linked in the description below. But for this video, I'll pick 5 to highlight. So let's dive in. Make sure your content is easy to digest for all of your audience. Instead of walls of text or basic graphs, try infographics instead. They fit your information in easy to understand visuals. Colors are everything to style. One of the best PowerPoint design trends that you can use is to find the colors that are ready to trend and use them. Pantone is a great indicator. Every year, the company has a color of the year that's worth checking out. You can also use color wheels like the one from Adobe to find complementary colors to add to your slide deck's palette. By now, I'm sure you know that you should be adding photos to your slides, but I recommend that you go the extra mile to make sure your images stand out through custom image shapes. Take a look at this children's presentation to see what I mean. Notice how instead of the traditional rectangles and squares, this trendy template uses unique shapes that stand out and fit the kids' theme. Getting creative here will keep your slides looking relevant and make them interesting to look at for your audience. And while I'm on the topic of photos, feel free to use them as much as you can. PowerPoints are a visual aid, so use this design trend to emphasize that. There are templates like these on Envato Elements that have one or more photo placeholders on almost every slide, so you can really express yourself and content. This gives you the opportunity to let your images do the talking, not blocks of text. With that being said, text on slides is unavoidable, and that's not a bad thing. Titles, headings, and more should be written out. And when you have to have it, make sure you find a cool font for the job. You can download trendy fonts that fit your topic and use them in your presentation. Mailbag is one to try for educational content. If you have a text slideshow, then you can use Helios. And Saphira would be a welcome addition to fashion or design agency PowerPoints. Check out your alternatives and see which ones would work for your presentation. You can find all of the examples from this video on Envato Elements. Take advantage of the unlimited creative assets in the subscription by signing up today. You can find the link in the description. You should also subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel to find more videos like this one. Turn notifications on so you don't miss the latest free tutorials, courses, and educational content coming from our instructors. Keeping up with PowerPoint design trends is not as hard as you'd think. It's actually a lot easier than keeping up with the fashion ones. Apply these trends to your next PowerPoint to make visuals that are hard to forget. Good luck presenting. I'll see you in the next one.